Good evening. For many days, I was wondering how I can take a couple of different domains or subdomains, sending to a shared with single bubble bubble app. Now, I came into a situation where we had to move our domain to the new domain without losing the old domain because people were going to that domain. They had the link, and we needed to keep that alive but move it to a new domain name, new link, and not creating a new app because it didn't make any sense because in a couple of months we'll be changing this one bagel and changing it to donuts. So that was my issue. I couldn't figure this out just with the domain and it was too cumbersome. So but accidentally I found a way. It has a lot to offer and it did exactly what I wanted to do. Like, how can I point multiple domains to the same app? Applications may vary, applications are numerous, but this service, find out. Uh, I have a link underneath this video. Go check it out, and you will see the potential. It has a lot to offer. So I created this acme.com. I have bagels.com, and I also have bagels.com slash user one. Now, this is the use case I used it, but we're not using it, but I want to give you an example what the possibilities are. And the donut.com. All these domains, these are in my main website. Let's say those are WordPress website. You created a subdomain, do whatever. I mean, give any subdomain or a main domain, it doesn't matter. You register in upstream in this custom domain. You get the analytics, and it simply translates it, sends it to the same app Bubble, and it comes out as acme.com, bagels.com, and if you have a predefined prefix path, it will take you to that prefix path. And another thing that I think that's very powerful that they're giving is a rules engine. So you not only you can simply redirect, but you can put rules around it depending on the header. So even what I read from the blogs is if you are calling an API, that API, you can check what the domain is, what the header is, even you can send values in the header. And based on that, it would send it to a different, let's say Xano API. It will just forward that to that API and probably return. But I haven't tried that. This sounds too far fetched, especially for someone who is not well versed in networking or the coding. But it works pretty well for no coder. The another use case what I found is with the rules. So let's say you want to move your traffic with some kind of a rule and send it to a different instance of a bubble, completely new instance. So for example, send 5 users to this instance, 10 users to this instance. I can do that through rules. So that being said, if you have this use case, check out the link. Link has UTM parameters, so it will they will know that I referred you. So I'll greatly appreciate. So, and they will know that at least I'm giving them some business. Now, going to the app itself, it looks like this. Sign in. The This is their dashboard. You get visits, all this. This is all API based, so you can get all this information directly via API, all the devices. Now, super important, the source. Now, if I know the source, like some of them like are coming from all kinds of places. So if you don't want them to crawl or like this one, safe frame me or whatever, I can just block it. Simply just put it in a trash can with the rules. So that's something I need to do. And because we get a lot of traffic, and it's useless traffic. So that kind of helps. So that's the one. What else can I tell you? Oh, the upstreams, you can create any number of upstreams. Just create upstream. There is a option for Bubble. If you go here, just click Bubble, and that will work for Bubble. I don't know. I really don't know what exactly it will do, but it will work with Bubble. That's all I know. So these are the domains, subdomains. You come here, just add a subdomain. These are the settings. Redirect W, and this is the prepend path. So if you put here donuts .com, then donuts is the app.donuts.com is my subdomain, and no matter what you do, or you can have a user1.com, and it will just always go to user1 page. You can have bubble page called user1, or always send it to user1. That works. I haven't tried this way yet, sending parameters, ID or anything like that. I haven't tried that, but that would be good to try. But it will always direct this to that. So you can have your own custom domain for cool. Yeah. So I will show you how that looks. The instructions, you can, um, if you don't own the main domain, you can just send the instructions to them. They can add it to their CNAME, and that's it. Within 30 seconds, 30 minutes, it will verify automatically and confirm. And once it's confirmed, it's done. You get certificates automatically. That's a good one that you get SSL. You can have custom certificates. That's also an option. So that's pretty much it in this portion. Now, how it looks like watch this. So I have this domain, wimsup.com, and I have now there is the same app. I can show this, which is app.tampa.com. So it looks like that. So if I move through blogs and all whatnot, it will always show as this. So one of the good use case is you can send Googlebot converted to XML sitemap using this domain. So Google will literally it crawls and it thinks it's coming from app. It's crawling app Tampa Bay this domain. Same thing here. They have their own domain. Now they're all from the same app. I have two different apps that they based on the customer they go to different app bubble app. So I don't have to. I can just manage it from uh, the upstream. So that's about it. If you have same use case you want to check out, go check out this product. And thank you.